Welcome to the top 7 dogs known for their independence. These breeds prefer to think for themselves. Number 1 is the ultimate free spirit. 7. Boxer. Playful yet self-reliant attitude. 6. Belgian Malinois. Acts independently in critical moments. 5. Siberian Husky. Strong-willed and adventurous spirit. 4. Akita Inu. Confident and dominant nature. 3. Cane Corso. Assesses situations without guidance. 2. Alaskan Malamute. Resilient and independent mindset. 1. Tibetan Mastiff. Commanding independence in guarding their territory.